Hi again. Good chance that after 30 years, you know that I'm in the real estate industry. What you might not know is that I'm among the top 1% of real estate agents in San Diego who have earned the national SRES designation. That's just a fancy way of sharing that I have a specialized skill set for working through obstacles you might have if you're a senior looking to make a transition. Seniors are a protected class that deserve the utmost care, patience, and never pressure. If you're a senior facing a move, it's usually driven by the desire to make life more enjoyable. This could mean moving to a property with less maintenance or relocating to be closer to family. Other times, safety or health concerns might motivate a move. Sometimes it's pressure from family members who want the best for you. So I mentioned a specialized skill set. What does that really mean? There's always the traditional home sale process. Of course, I can help with that. But that doesn't work for everybody. Sometimes a quick off-market sale can allow you to walk away without any repairs, showings, or hassles. I do that too. And others prefer to keep their property as a rental for ongoing income. Did you know I own a property management company? I can do that for you as well. And for renovations, to rent it or to sell it, yep, you guessed it, I do that too. And I can even cover the costs and you reimburse me through the closing. Ultimately, with all those resources at my fingertips, I've learned my superpower is helping to explain all of your options. Then our team coordinates everything for you. And because of my SRES specialization, my network runs very deep. Whether it's financial advisors, estate planning, luxury coastal communities, active senior communities, movers, home modification, hey, I'm connected. I got you covered. So if you're considering a move and want a trusted partner by your side, reach out to me. Let's discuss your unique situation, explore your options, and make this transition together. Your peace of mind is my top priority.